Hello astronomers! Today I'll show you how to use Play to control your Celestron telescope that's compatible with CPWI software for advanced remote operation using either the Eagle or a standard Windows computer. Why is this important, especially for astrophotography? Since CPWI exposes the Celestron mount as an ASCOM-compatible telescope device, Play can connect to the telescope, enabling seamless control and powerful features. Now let's see how to connect Play to your Celestron telescope through CPWI. In this example, we are using an extra resolution telescope with an Extra Plus hand controller that includes a USB port. But you can apply the same process to other Celestron models as well. Now, before connecting to Play, your Celestron telescope needs to be set in the correct position. The tripod must be level. For telescopes with equatorial mounts, perform a proper polar alignment. For telescopes with Altazzi mount, like this one, point the telescope north or south if you are in the southern hemisphere, and towards the horizon. Now, please make sure you're using the latest version of Play and CPWI softwares. Make sure that the USB cable that you'll be using to connect an Extra Plus hand control to the Eagle or standard Windows computer is not connected at this stage. Now turn on power to your Celestron telescope. Once the Extra Plus hand control is initialized, connect the USB cable to the port on the bottom of the hand controller. Then start CPWI. Move the mouse over connection button in the top left corner of the window and select USB. Wait for the connection to be established and the alignment window will appear. Make sure location and time settings in CPWI are correct. The latitude and longitude should match the values used in Play's mount settings. Based on your preference, you can use CPWI to align your telescope to the sky and then connect to Play. Or, if for example you want to use the auto alignment feature of Play, you can just close the alignment windows of CPWI, since you will do the telescope alignment to the sky with Play. Now launch Play and open your mount settings. Here we can set how Play connects to your Celestron telescope mount. In order to have the best connection reliability, we suggest you to select the Device Hub Telescope instead of CPWI directly, since this ASCOM hub will take care of connecting Play to CPWI. Connect to the Celestron telescope mount. And now you can add also other devices like cameras, sexto sensor esatto focusing solutions, Arco camera rotator and field rotator, Giotto flat field generator and Alto cover motor, based on the telescope configuration you have and the application you want to achieve with Play astrophotography software. Now Play is in full control of your telescope system. In the Planetarium tab, click on Track, and then you will be able to automatically point, track and align on any target. Depending on the devices connected, you'll have access to autofocus, auto-alignment, the automatic sequencer, and even auto-stacking, making your Celestron telescope even easier to use for astrophotography. For more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!